teachers, Jessica Tobin here with Elementary Nest, and today we are going to dive into how to virtually teach main topic and main idea. So today is our third installment of teaching tips in 12 minutes or less. The first week we talked about story elements and I did not make it under 12 minutes. Last week we did text features and all about how to teach them virtually, and we got that under 12 minutes, so that was 3 tips for you, and we're going to repeat that this week. We're going to talk about virtual teaching tips when you are in the middle of your main idea and main topic unit. So stick around and we're going to talk about 3 things that you can do that are engaging for your students during your main topic and main idea unit. Also, there will be a freebie, so if you stick around, you can get access or a link to a freebie for you to try out in your classroom. So we're going to talk first about what is required according to Common Core state standards and why I'm doing a video with both main topic and main idea. So according to Common Core, main topic is covered in K1, 2, and then when you get to 3rd, 4th, and so on, it switches over to main idea. So main topic is the students being able to read a nonfiction text and just give a word or a phrase about what the text is about. So it's just going to be a summed up idea or word or phrase about what the students have just read. And then when you get to 3rd and 4th grade, you shift into main idea. And main idea is going to be that full sentence. That's going to be usually the students are finding what the author's point is or what the author is trying to convey to the reader. So that's the biggest difference between main topic and main idea, and why I suggest teaching K through 2 main topic and then 3 through 4 and so on main idea. But the biggest difference between K through 2 is that kindergarten and 1st grade, you are focusing on just being able to identify main topic and key details. Same with 2nd grade, except 2nd grade they are required to add on a little bit extra, and they're having to now do multi-paragraph text, and they have to tell the topic of each paragraph. So that's one difference between main topic in K1 and then main topic in 2nd. So I hope that was a good wrap up for you for what the difference is between main topic and main idea and why I'm presenting both to you today. So this summer I made a blog post all about very simple, easy paper folding activities that students can do with one piece of paper, and that actually came in handy for a lot of teachers because students are now at home learning or they're having to sit at their desks and they can't do a lot of moving around. So if you've got kids virtual or if you've got kids in person but they're at their desk, this is a great tip, or this is a great virtual tip for you for main topic. So what you're going to do, you have 2 options. There are other cut and fold options, but this one is the simplest in my opinion, these 2 folds. So what I would suggest on this folding activity would be like a call and response or a read and respond type of activity. You are going to find either a passage or a nonfiction text to read aloud to your students. And then either as you're reading or after you're reading as a follow-up activity, the kids are going to respond to the text to find either the main idea or the main topic, followed up with those key details. And those key details are what support or hold up the main idea or main topic. So the first call and response activity to do either as they're listening or after. The easiest one to do is to fold the paper into 4ths. And then when they unfold it, they trace the line, and then they've got their boxes. They've got main idea and their 3 key details. Now this would be good for note jotting. So this would be a good one to do as you're reading a read aloud to the students. So maybe if you're reading a text over Google Meet or Zoom, or even doing it in class and the students are all sitting at their desks, they can be jotting these notes down, and this is a very simple paper folding activity where the students aren't required to get up out of their chairs and share resources and whatnot. So this is the first idea for the paper folding call and response activity. And then the other one, this one's a little bit more involved where they just have to use scissors. So if students have scissors at home, or if they have it at their desk, this would be a possibility. So that's the main topic. This is a fold and snip book. I have a couple of these pre-made in my ELA units, but this one they can just make on their own. It's just a piece of paper folded in half, and then they open it back up and snip, and then they fold it back so it's a little book. This could also be like a note-taking book as you're reading a nonfiction text, or it can be something that they do afterwards. This could be their response to your read aloud, or something that they might be reading on their own, like a passage that you assign. But this is one thing virtually that works because the students have them at home, or they can just sit at their desk and they don't have to move around a lot. So that's one socially distant or virtual idea for a main topic. Our second tip for main topic and main idea virtual ideas is using a website called Epic. Now, if you have not utilized Epic or signed up for Epic, I do suggest you do that today. It is a free resource for teachers that has lots of different books that students can read. One thing that you can do with Epic for main idea and main topic is a fun group activity. And I'm going to explain the group activity because I know, and this is a virtual activity where the students can do group work at home. So what you'll do is you will start with 5 groups. So you're going to split your class into 5 groups. So if you have 20 children, you'll have 4 kids in each group. If you have 25 children, you'll split them in 5 kids in each group. Now these 5 groups, you're going to assign each group to read a different nonfiction text on Epic. And you can assign books on Epic to certain students. So you might give group 1 a nonfiction reader on sharks. You might give group 2 a nonfiction reader on global warming, and then so on for the other groups. What they'll do is during some either small group reading or whole group reading, you'll let the students read the text that is assigned to them, and then after you give them a chance to read the text, maybe take some notes or write down what they think the main topic and key details is, you're going to give them a link to a break apart group, so a breakout group on Zoom or Meet, so that only that group of students is on a Google Meet. And what they're going to do during that, they're going to discuss, okay, here's what we learned, here's what we think as a group is the main topic or main idea, and here's what we think as a group are the best or strongest key details from the text. And then, after they have their breakout groups, you're going to make new breakout groups. So this will require some links and setups for the teacher. But after they have their breakout groups, they're going to then have new breakout groups, but it's going to be jigsawed. And that's like a Kagan strategy for cooperative learning, where you have different members from all the different groups in one group. So all your new groups are now going to have a member from group 1, a member from group 2, a member from group 3, and they can present to the other students in their group what the main topic was from the text they read, and 3 key details from that text as well, so that they can practice those speaking skills and communication skills and listening skills, even if they're at home. So that's one group idea. It does require a little bit of links and copy pasting and getting all the kids in the right spaces at the right time. But that group work, the students might be really missing that group work because they can't be in class. So this is a great opportunity for them to still work as a group and still have that public speaking opportunity and those listening skill practice. Our third and final tip is going to be where you're getting your freebie for today. So my third tip is to give them a hands-on digital activity, either in Google Slides or Seesaw. And this is where your freebie is. The link is going to be in the description for the freebie, and within that freebie, it's a PDF. There's going to be a link there's going to be 2 links. One link is the main topic activity, and one link is for the main idea activity. It's the same activity, but the main topic one, the students are provided with a main topic, and in the main idea one, they're provided with the main idea. In both activities, they have to find a strong key detail or either create a strong key detail. So I'm going to flip the camera around and I'm going to show you guys I'm going to walk you guys through the activities so that you can see what you're getting. So the main topic set, which is here, there are 4 pages. The first 2 pages are drag and drops, where the students have to look at the main topic and the image that's provided. And then they're going to read all of the key details over here, and they're going to try to find the best key detail that fits there. And this is a great opportunity for students to read through examples of what key details might look like in a text. So these first 2 pages are definitely a little bit easier for students. And then your second 2 pages are type-ins. The students here are going to use picture clues to try to create their own key detail based off of that topic and what they see in the picture. So they're going to be using picture clues in this activity versus text clues. So this really lets them back up a little bit and focus more on the skill itself than their reading comprehension. And then if I click over to the main idea, it's the same exact activity because the students are provided with the main idea, and then they're going to read through sample key details over here and then match it up. The second 2 pages, same thing as the first one. They're going to read the main idea, and then they're going to type in their own key detail based off of what they've read as the main idea and what they see in the picture. So here they're really utilizing those photograph skills and their knowledge of what a key detail is instead of their comprehension skills and relying on comprehension skills for that. So if you are interested in learning more about main topic and main idea, I have a link in the description for a blog post that I've written. And in this blog post, there are anchor chart ideas, hands-on activity ideas, ideas to use with certain books. So if you want to read more about main topic and main idea and dive a little bit deeper into it, the link is in the description. Also, I have a digital set of activities for you. The freebie that you're getting is actually one of the 7 activities in the either main idea or main topic digital activity set. So if you're interested in grabbing those, they will definitely work for your virtual main topic and main idea unit. The link for those is also in the description if you are interested, or there are links in your freebie for that. So if you download the freebie and put it on your Google Drive or your Seesaw, you will also have links for those if you are interested in getting more digital activities for main idea and main topic. I will be back next Friday with more teaching tips in 12 minutes or less. As always, if you are interested in learning a specific topic, please comment below and let me know what you'd like to learn about. If you have any questions about the content we went over today, please also let me know in the comments and I will answer as soon as I can. Make sure you like and subscribe so that you can get future content sent to you and you can get notifications when I create new videos. So thank you so much for tuning in today, and I will see you guys next Friday.